As humans, we associate colors to feelings, of course. That's why color grading in filmmaking is so powerful. Color grading can transform completely the mood and style of our videos and make us feel in a certain way. The main issue with color grading though, especially if you are not a professional filmmaker, is that it might be difficult and time consuming. So my team of filmmakers at ProjectGoPro and I came up with a new set of Cinematic LUTs for Adobe Premiere Pro that can transform the colors of any video in an instant without all of the technical overwhelm. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and creator of ProjectGoPro, an online video making school specialized on helping people making better video using action cameras like GoPro. Down in the description, you find the link to download our brand new LUTs pack by ProjectGoPro. There is a color style for every single occasion, as the LUT pack includes over 100 cinematic color presets. Try 7 LUTs for free, link below. We use this Cinematic LUT pack all the time now, and we also used it to color grade this video that you're watching right now. These LUTs save my video editor a ton of time in the editing process, and I think she can confirm that. But now let's jump into Premiere Pro so that I can show you how simple it is to apply these color grading LUTs to your videos. So open Premiere Pro and go on the color tab. Click on the clip you would like to apply your LUT, then go over colorimetry and under basic correction, click on input LUT, browse it and find the ProjectGoPro LUTs, and you just need to open one of them. The cube would be fine for Premiere Pro. Because this is a drone now, we just choose the Cine drone, and this is our LUT. You see the before and after. Now you can retouch the colors, the exposure, the contrast, the temperature, or anything you want here in this section. But now you can see that there is a big difference from before and after with the LUTs applied on our clip. With this pack you can finally turn any flat or undersaturated video coming from any camera into a nice cinematic video in Adobe Premiere Pro. These LUTs will work also with other video editing software like Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve and more. The link is down in the description. Alright, I really hope that you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!